Welcome back, viewers. Today, we delve into an exciting topic that's reshaping our world as we know it: artificial intelligence, or AI. In this video, we'll explore how AI is transforming various industries and discuss how we can adapt to this fast-changing world. So, let's dive in. The power of AI, artificial intelligence, the amalgamation of cutting-edge technologies, is revolutionizing the way we live and work. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. But what makes AI so powerful? AI possesses the ability to analyze vast amounts of data, detect patterns, and make predictions with unparalleled accuracy. It can automate repetitive tasks, improve decision-making, and create personalized experiences for individuals. The potential impact of AI spans across industries, such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and more. Let's explore some industries that are being transformed by AI and witness the profound changes it brings. In healthcare, AI is enabling faster diagnosis and more precise treatments, saving lives and improving patient outcomes. In transportation, self-driving vehicles promise increased safety, reduced congestion, and enhanced accessibility. AI-powered financial systems are streamlining processes and enhancing fraud detection. These are just a few examples, but the possibilities are limitless. Preparing for a fast-changing world with AI revolutionizing the world around us. How can we prepare ourselves for this fast-paced future? Here are a few essential steps. Embrace a growth mindset and actively pursue learning opportunities. Stay updated on AI advancements, acquire new skills, and adapt to changing job requirements. Foster a culture of collaboration, where humans and AI work together synergistically. Understand the strengths of AI and leverage them to augment your own abilities. As AI becomes more pervasive, it's crucial to discuss and address ethical concerns. We must ensure transparency, accountability, and fairness in AI systems, protecting privacy and avoiding bias. Develop critical thinking skills to evaluate AI-generated information critically. Be aware of AI's limitations and question assumptions, preventing potential manipulation or misinformation. Embrace the evolving nature of technology and be open to new opportunities. Adaptability and flexibility will be key to thriving in an AI-driven world. AI and human connection. While AI offers numerous benefits, it's essential to remember the importance of human connection and empathy. Despite AI's capabilities, it lacks the emotional intelligence and empathy that humans possess. We must strive to maintain meaningful relationships, nurture empathy, and prioritize human interaction amidst the AI revolution. Artificial intelligence is transforming the world at an unprecedented pace. By understanding its power, preparing ourselves for change, and embracing a future where humans and AI work hand in hand, we can navigate the fast-changing world and unlock its endless possibilities. Thank you for watching today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things AI. Until next time, stay curious, stay adaptable, and embrace the AI revolution.